Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you here today to the Boyne Suite at the LucanSpaHotel for our exciting next challenge. Based on the ancient Japanese tradition of origami, it is our napkin folding challenge. On the left-hand side, I present to you Ulick Chicken Legs Colgan versus Alison Tiger Tie. Our two competitors are going to be head-to-head to see who can fold the best napkin for the happy couple on their special day. On your marks, get set, go! Alison is attempting a rose. Ulick is just doing some foldy corner bits. Really, you have to be here to understand the absolute knife edge we are on here. And Alison is progressing quite well. Ulick is doing something a 5-year-old could do. Alison has completed her rose, and she's on to the next one. Oh, here's a true pro in work here. Ulick is, I think he's making it into a postage. Is he going to send it somewhere? Oh, look at that, bride and groom. We have a suit and we have a rose. I'm not sure what's going on there. It's certainly innovative though. Different take on the challenge. It looks like we've come to the end of our exhilarating competition. In the interest of impartiality, I am not allowed to judge this competition. So to help, we've brought over a very special guest to help me in this very tough decision. So voila! And he's now in the arena. He's judging Alison's tuxedo. He seems to like the feel of that. Ah, a rose is a rose is a rose, but Alison's is a very special rose. And now we're going over to Ulick's envelope. Addressed to, interesting. Addressed to Monsieur Mime. And what is contained in the envelope? That seems to be a little bit suspicious, but I'm not the judge of this. And I'm sure Monsieur Mime will keep that in consideration as well. It has been declared that Ulick Chicken Legs Colgan is the winner of the Napkin Folding Championship.
Merci beaucoup.
Quelle surprise! Ulick pulls off another controversial coup. I'm getting a real sense of not only deja vu, but jamais vu with all his wins. Ah well, c'est la vie. That means it's nicely poised at 2-2, and we're going down to the wire at the last challenge.